Cramming as he may be, Sean Anthony was just happy to get back on the court for NorthPort on Wednesday. Coming back from a calf injury that cost him the first 3 games of the 2018 PBA Governors Cup, the tireless forward admitted that he was out of breath for the majority of the team's 104-98 defeat to Ginebra. "Today was one of the few times that I was really out of breath. Usually I'm full of energy and all over the place," he said. "But it felt good to be out there." Anthony tried to be his usual self in his 34 minutes of action, collecting 9 points, 5 assists, 3 rebounds, 3 steals, and a block, but his lack of timing was evident, a fact even he wouldn't deny. "I didn't feel completely up to speed. I just had 2 days of practice after sitting out for about over a month. I missed a lot of easy shots, layups and stuff. That was my first time playing 5-on-5 full court since last conference," the 32-year-old Cager said. What's working in Anthony's favor, though, is the long break as the Batangpier goes idle for the next 2 weeks before facing Blackwater on September 19. That is more than enough time for Anthony and the rest of the other injured NorthPort players to recover and get back to rescue the team's flailing playoff hopes. "We got 2 weeks now for me to get fully in shape, and I'll be ready by the 19th. It's 2 weeks so I can actually run and do some conditioning in full court and get my lungs going," he said. "Today, I felt no pain in the calf. I was a little less aggressive, and I was not really buhay as they would say. I was passing up a lot of stuff, but as I get more comfortable, I'll be a little more aggressive again." Anthony, however, knows that there's no guarantee that NorthPort's 4-game skid will come to an end as the players return to the team. Rather, all he wants is to see his squad ready for battle on the other side of the FIBA break. "All we do is prepare and just keep going," he said. "Blackwater is playing really well, so we just gotta do our best to get ready and get that first W."